Hi, in this video I am discussing multiplying and dividing scientific notation. So let's start with it. So the first question says 8.4 times 10 to the power of 3 over 2 times 10 to the power of 1. So first we need to separate the decimal or the decimal real numbers and the exponent numbers. So 8.40 divided by 2 goes on one side and the exponent and the power part goes on the other side. So 10 to the 3 over 10 to the 1, right? Now you can use a calculator to find 8.4 divided by 2. That would be 4.2. And whenever the bases are same, the exponents or the powers can be subtracted when dividing and they should be added when we are multiplying. So here we are dividing, so it becomes 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So it becomes finally 4.2 times 10 to the power of 2. Next question. It says 1.72 times 10 to the power of minus 2 over 5 times 10 to the power of 0. We'll do it the same way, separate both the terms. So 1.72 over 5 times 10 to the power of minus 2 over 10 to the power of 0. This particular division gives 0.344. Minus 2 minus 0, the same technique, because the bases are same, you can subtract the powers. So minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. Now the rule of scientific notation says that the decimal point should be one digit after a non-zero number. So here the first non-zero number is 3, so your decimal point should be after 3. So we'll go right by one digit, so 3.44. Now whenever you move your decimal point on right, the number of digits get subtracted from the power. If we move left, the number of digits gets added. So here we are moving right by 1, so we need to subtract 1 from the power. So minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. If we are moving decimal on the left side by one digit, then you need to add it. So minus 2 plus 1 would have become minus 1. So we are moving right, so 3.44 times 10 to the power of minus 3. If you are moving by 2 digits, you need to add 2. If you are moving by 3 digits, you need to add 3. But the rule of scientific notation says that your decimal point should be after first non-zero number, and here that is 3. Next, it's multiplication. 5.7 times 10 to the power of 4 times 7 times 10 to the power of 3 minus 3. So we'll separate out the decimal or the real part. So 5.7 times 7 times 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3. First multiply this using your calculator, we get 39.9, and whenever the bases are same, 10 and 10, the powers get added. So 4 plus minus 3, so plus minus becomes minus, so 4 minus 3, it becomes 39.9 times 10 to the power of 1. Again, the decimal point should be after the first non-zero digit, that is 3. So we move the decimal point left by one digit, so it becomes 3.99. If you're moving by left, you need to add the number of digits. So adding 1 to 1, we get 2. So it becomes 3.99 times 10 to the power of 2. The next one, 1.5 times 10 to the power of 1 over 1 times 10 to the minus 4. So this becomes 1.5, this becomes 1 minus of minus 4. Remember, it's not 1 minus 4, it's 1 minus of minus 4. So minus minus becomes plus, so 1 plus 4 is 5. So 1.5 times 10 to the power of 5. The last multiplication. It's 3.98 times 10 to the power of 8 multiplied by 4 times 10 to the power of 3. First multiply these two terms. 3.98 times 4 gives us 15.92. 10 and 10, the bases are same, so you can add the powers. We are multiplying, that's why. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So we get 15.92 times 10 to the power of 11. Scientific notation says decimal point should be one digit after the non-zero number. So 1 should be 1.592. You are shifting by one digit on left, so you need to add 1. So 11 plus 1 is 12. So this is your final answer. Hope you get it. Thank you.